Hey guys, welcome to Smash Garage. Today it's a quick video. We are replacing windshield cowl on my E46. Here you can see how bad my windshield cowl is. It's really cracked, and if you have BMW E46 and your windshield cowl looks this bad or even worse, it's time to replace it. And the good thing is it's really simple. You need only flathead screwdriver and 15mm socket on the wrench head or 15mm wrench. Here you can see the replacement part. It's OEM quality. It's not even that expensive. I highly recommend to go with OEM with this one. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is open your hood and then grab your flathead screwdriver and pop these caps off, just like this. Then grab your ratchet or whatever power tool you're using with your 15mm socket. Just lose it. Now try to wiggle these off. Loose. You can use a screwdriver.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, yes. Ooh, I'll be super honest with you guys. This was really rough. I needed to spray down WD-40 all over it, but it came loose. So I'll be much more careful with this one. I don't want to lose this nut. This little guy that holds the wiper. This one was a bit messy, maybe that's why he was stuck. And I lost the other one in engine bay, so that's pretty sweet. Anyways, once you remove your wipers, it's really simple from there. Next thing, once you remove your wipers, pop these little 90-degree guys out, take it off. Maybe even take out your cabin filter, it doesn't matter that much. And now you should be able to yank this off. Yeah, that was good sound. On the other side as well. Yes. And you can take it out. Beautiful. just put it in place. And bend it just a little bit. Line up all holes. And just push it into place. That's nice inside. And last thing is to put the seal back on, I should say. Cabin filter inside, its place, just like this. Cabin filter. Nice. And at this point I would put inside put on the wipers, but I need to hunt that little nut or whatever it is. Yeah. Now since I got the nut, we can finish. Now we need to find spot. Oh god. I almost lost it again. Looking beautiful. This I hope with a bit of sun will get down. It came like this, so hopefully that's gonna fix itself, otherwise it's looking beautiful. Wipers are on and working. And let me be super honest with you guys, don't drop that stupid little guy inside that ECU compartment because it's super tight. I needed to take out the whole ECU and just try to fish in there. It was terrible. I spent like 30 minutes there, lots of swearing, lots of depression, but hey, I got it. And that's what matters with working on cars, you know, you just can't give up. And the wonderful thing, I found a dipstick bolt which I lost there a couple weeks ago, so you know, that's bonus. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.